Is it time to buy or sell Beam Therapeutics stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Beam Therapeutics. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 3rd of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of September, 2025, our system has ranked Beam Therapeutics as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.68. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend over the short term, indicating that a further decline is likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of nearly -3% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -17.55% to +13.14%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of -26.51%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -59.39% and +11.69% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $7.62 and $20.95. Our latest daily update for Beam Therapeutics features the headline, "Volatile Ride for Beam Therapeutics Inc. Stock Price on Wednesday, moving between $16.52 and $20.22. The Beam Therapeutics Inc. stock price experienced an increase of 15.02% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 3rd of September, 2025, rising from $16.31 to $18.76. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 22.40%, ranging from a low of $16.52 to a high of $20.22. Although the price has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days, it is still up by 14.74% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 7 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 9 million shares changed hands for approximately $161,002,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $35.25, while the lowest was $13.53. Currently, the price is 46.78% or $16.49 below the 52-week high and 86.46% or $119.76 below the all-time high reached on the 2nd of July, 2021, when the price peaked at $138.52. Beam Therapeutics is in the spotlight this week. The company has just received the FDA's Regenerative Medicine Advanced Therapy designation for BEAM-101, targeting sickle cell disease. This regulatory milestone can expedite development and enhance the long-term value of the program. This announcement follows second quarter results that revealed a smaller loss and notable progress on BEAM-302, with 17 patients treated, showing durable correction signals and a tolerable safety profile. However, revenue fell short of expectations, which has placed some near-term pressure on the stock. Management's fireside chat at Citi today presents a potential opportunity for fresh insights and market volatility. Comparisons with CRISPR Therapeutics, which is already experiencing early commercial sales, underscore Beam's status as a higher risk, higher reward investment in base editing. Investors might prefer CRISPR for its nearer-term revenue prospects, viewing Beam as a longer-term speculative option. In the short term, anticipate fluctuations driven by conference remarks, trial results, and quarterly guidance updates. Missed revenue targets and sector rotations could impact the share price. Over the long term, successful clinical data and the advantages of the RMAT designation could significantly enhance the stock's valuation. However, execution risks, funding requirements, and competition remain critical challenges to consider. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 3rd of September, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned BEM a buy grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, it was reported that Guggenheim assigned BEM a buy grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned BEM an overweight grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, it was reported that Scotiabank assigned BEM an outperform grade along with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, it was reported that Scotiabank assigned BEM a sector perform grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Beam Therapeutics stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is considered neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Beam Therapeutics. The chart reflects mostly positive signals today. The stock of Beam Therapeutics Incorporated holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook. However, there is a general sell signal due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is anticipated at levels of $16.89 and $18.49. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, August 21st, 2025, and so far, the stock has increased by 17.18%. Further upward movement is expected until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 21 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 8 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Beam Therapeutics. Beam Therapeutics Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $18.58. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $3.70 between its high and low, which is a change of 22.4%. In the past week, it has experienced a daily average volatility of 8.15%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Beam Therapeutics, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative $1.03. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Beam Therapeutics. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Beam Therapeutics is at $19.88. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Beam Therapeutics encounters its first support level at $18.58. If this support level holds, it may serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The The combined average rating for Beam Therapeutics, according to various analyst sources, is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 30th of July 2025, FMR LLC executed an insider sale of 48,374 shares of common stock. On the 1st of July 2025, Simon Amy executed an insider sale of 374 shares of common stock. On the 3rd of July 2025, Simon Amy executed another insider sale of 876 shares of common stock. On the 4th of June 2025, Kathleen E. Walsh executed an insider purchase of 33,662 shares of stock options, granting the right to buy. On the 4th of June 2025, Mark Fishman executed an insider purchase of 33,662 shares of stock options, granting the right to buy. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 28.211. In total, insiders acquired 1,925,298 shares and sold 1,551,751 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $18.05, which reflects a decrease of 3.8%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. There is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 8 days ago. Is Beam Therapeutics stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are showing positive signs. Although the stock has been on a downward trend, we believe that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. Consequently, we have upgraded our analysis for this stock from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and trading movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 4th of September, we anticipate that Beam Therapeutics will open lower by 260 cents and begin trading at $18.50. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.